Yes, Akshita, this webinar was very good. The learning disabilities information was very informative. It was also new for me as well because I'm new to this profile, as I already told you in the beginning of the call. And I could understand the different types of learning disabilities and the observations that we have to do in a child, and what are the techniques that we can actually utilize to make that particular learning disability child to understand and keep up and teach him the things and everything. That was very empowering, and it was very clear for me, and it has also given me a thought process how exactly I can be more creative if I have to be a special needs teacher ever in my life, for a child to teach it or in a very clear and simpler way, so that they can grasp it and have a proper visual picture in their mind and understand it. It was very informative.